Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet a peacock feather keychain. Okay, let's start the video. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. We will be using 2.5 mm needle. Here goes a slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 4 chain crochet stitches. Now join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch to get a small tiny bit circle in between. Here we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now see, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. Now whatever stitches we will be making each time passing a needle from inside that circle. Okay, now first I will make 4 double crochet stitches. See, I'm passing my needle from inside that circle. Okay, so this way I am making 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after 4 double crochet stitches, I will make 8 triple crochet stitches. Any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet or triple crochet stitches, link is already given in description. You can follow the tutorial. It is quite easy, of course with written notes, so it will be very easy to understand. Okay, so getting back to video, we started with 4 double crochet stitches. Now we will be making 8 triple crochet stitches. I'll just complete them and I'll show you. Now after 8 triple crochet stitches, again I will make 4 double crochet stitches. Remember, first 4 double crochet stitches, then 8 triple crochet stitches, now again 4 double crochet stitches. Okay, and each time I'm passing my needle from inside that circle. Now I'm done with my 4 double crochet stitches also. This is how it looks. Okay, now we will change our yarn. We will take a different yarn. So to add new yarn, there should be 2 loops on your needle. Okay, so just grab that yarn and pull it from those 2 loops. Okay, now we will make 8 double crochet stitches, again passing a needle from that circle. 8 double crochet stitches. I'll just complete this and I'll show it to you. See, now I'm done with my 8 double crochet stitches also. This is how it is looking. Now I'll join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch to complete my first round. After this, I'll be making 1 half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. I'll be making that stitch using the back yarn of every stitch. See, this back yarn. I won't be inserting my needle from complete stitch, only the back yarn. See, this back yarn. Okay, See, I'm inserting my needle from back yarn. Here forward, all stitches we will be taking this way only. Whatever stitch we are taking, we are just taking it from the back side yarn of every stitch. Okay, so we have to make one half double crochet stitch for this complete color. Okay, I'll just complete it and I'll show you. For green color, we will take one slip stitch in each stitch. See, we have completed for this color one half double crochet stitch in each stitch, and now for this green color we will make one slip stitch in each stitch. I'll just complete this and show you. I'll be making one slip stitch in each stitch for green color, particular green color. Now we are done with the stitches. Now we will add new yarn. For adding new yarn, we will need 2 loops on the needle. We'll pull that new yarn from those 2 loops and make a chain crochet stitch. Now for starting 4 stitches, we will make one double crochet stitch in each stitch for starting 4 stitches. See, again I am using that backside yarn of every stitch. Okay, so for starting 4 stitches, one double crochet stitch in each stitch. Here we are done with the starting 4 stitches, one double crochet stitch in each stitch. Now for next 8 stitches, we will make 2 double crochet stitch in each stitch. For next 8 stitches, we will be making 2 double crochet stitch in each stitch. And after those 8 stitches, again in 4 stitches, we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. So it is going to be starting 4 stitches, 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch, then 8 stitches, 2 double crochet stitch in each stitch, and ending 4 stitches, 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. This is how it will look. Now for rest of the 8 stitches, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. See, for the rest of the 8 stitches, for that all green color, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. Now we are done with the yellow color. Now again we will we'll add new yarn. Okay, 2 loops, pull it from 2 loops, make a chain crochet stitch. Now for starting 4 stitches we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Here we are done with our starting 4 stitches, 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, now for next 4 stitches we will make 2 triple crochet stitches in each stitch. For next 4 stitches we will make 2 triple crochet stitches in each stitch. I'll just complete it and I'll show you. Now see, here we are done with starting 4 stitches, 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Then next 4 stitches, 2 triple crochet stitch in each stitch. Now for next 8 stitches we will make this stitch, we will yarn over 3 times. Okay, now we will pull the yarn from starting 2 loops, then again 2 loops, again 2 loops, and again 2 loops. Okay, now we are going to make 3 stitches of these 3 stitches in one single stitch, and this we are going to do for 8 stitches. Okay, for 8 stitches we are going to make 3 of these stitches in each stitch. I'll just complete it and I'll show it to you. Now I'm done with those 8 stitches. Now again in reverse way, 4 stitches, I'll make 2 triple crochet stitches in each stitch, and next 4 stitches I'll make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch. Same way we started, but the reverse manner. If you like the video, please like, and those who have subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'll request you to subscribe my channel. I'm coming up with lots of videos, and all videos, as you can see, are with written instructions. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Sanjs Aasha. And if you like the video, like, comment, share. For next of the 8 stitches, again we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. For next of the all 8 stitches, we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show it to you. See, we are done now. Now for the last step, we will make 1 slip stitch in all over the round, in every single stitch we will make one slip stitch all over the design. Okay, we have completed with the keychain. Now if you want to decorate it more, just in the middle make a chain stitch so that you can add up, or directly you can add up your keychain. Okay, and if you want to decorate it with anything like pearls or anything, you can decorate it. I will just complete it and I'll show you the final piece. So this is how a peacock keychain looks like. I have added pearls to it. As I told you, you can decorate it as you want. So if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you. Thanks for helping me increasing my subscriber. Thanks for supporting. And those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm coming up with lots of videos. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.